対ゼロの戦い、車輪ガン崩し。
Hey, you! Hey! You stepped on my hand. Apologize.
Why should I apologize to a dirt ninja like you?
It's sand.
Really? Because you look like you were mining dirt back there.
Boy, you better apologize.
Dude, I'm from the sound. I'm from the Sound Clan, man. We don't have to apologize to no one. You want to go, man?
Come at me.
All right then. You want to fight then? Let's do this in style.
What are you doing with that?
Better run!
Get ready to apologize.
You're gonna get hurt, kid. Take this!
Stars too!
Giving up yet, kid? Cheating time.
What do you mean? Oh, God! No! That's not supposed to happen! Yeah! I beat him! Finally!
I'm not dead yet.
Oh, God!
I am not losing to a punk brat like you. I still got one more trick up my sleeve. You ready for this, kid?
You're kidding me. You didn't master it, did you?
Ninja art style, Shadow Clone Jutsu! You guys move.
No.
Oh crap, I just remembered something. There's a paralyzing gas in that bomb. Cut! Alright, kid. You may have defeated me once, but I know you really don't have enough power to even take me on, let alone even kill me.
I got one trick on my sleeve.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Call me!
You can't be serious.
Call me!
No way!
Village hidden in the sand, boy! You like that?
You're pretty good, kid. I'll accept defeat for now. Sorry for stepping on your hand. Enjoy this victory while you still can. Because your village is going to be taken over soon. Oh, it hurts to laugh.